Hi, this is Catherine Parker, and I wanted to show you around my room. I'm at the Fairmont Queen Elizabeth in downtown Montreal in Quebec, Canada. This is king room. I have access to the concierge level. This is on the 18th floor, room 1853. So let me show you around the room. Large screen television. A row for storage. A desk. More of a writing desk. That's a yummy kind of slate blue on the walls. This hotel just went through a major renovation. And actually there is a lot of construction in the area, basically down below, but a lovely city view. I am here at the end of February, so there is snow. Got a lovely area in the corner there. Leather upholstered chair, great for reading or watching television. Yummy white dressed bed, white headboard. Very comfy. And I love the art. Pursuit of Happiness, absolutely. So there is lights and reading lights, both. Actually, the room has a lot of light in it. Okay, one thing I didn't find in this room, which I really expected, was an in-room safe. I'm gonna tell you, I kind of missed it. I like to lock things up sometimes. Closet, standard features. They do have slippers and a robe and an umbrella, shoehorn, ironing board. This is our beverage center, along with some items for purchase, wine glasses, double function glasses. It's a nice espresso machine, plus a kettle. And then there is a full selection of different types of coffee pods, along with teas. We do hot tea and creamers. Let's check out the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom's a little bit on the smaller side, but there's a nice granite vanity, and then a marble surround. And then this is a nice furniture detail in this room. So, and some nice amenities. There's some bath salts, a loofah, and then this is a nice little feature that they had done. So here we go. Here's the lotion, and that's my name. So I just love that feature. So, and we even have just lots of yummy white towels and art, because you need art in your bathroom, and I love it. So again, I'm on the 19th floor at the Fairmont Queen Elizabeth. Recently has undergone a major renovation.